Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, I'm Hayati Fardasatul Jinan, and here I would like to present about my research proposal entitled English Teachers' Perception on the Effectiveness of Teaching Reading Strategies in Improving Students' Reading Comprehension, a study at SMP Plus Nurul Hikmah Pamekasan. Next is research background. Reading is a significant skill in terms of English teaching and learning that should be well mastered by EFL students. Ronan states that reading skill is one of the important skills to be mastered by students in the English language teaching curriculum. Through reading, the students can get information which is important for them from the worldwide. However, reading is not just read and finish, but reading is an activity where the reader must capture the ideas from the text. Also, the reader should get the message that the writer wants to convey to the readers. On the other hand, even reading becomes one of the four skills that must be mastered by students while they learn a target language. Most of students face difficulties in reading, especially in terms of reading comprehension. Teaching strategies play the important role in teaching and learning process. Teachers can achieve the learning goals by applying the appropriate strategy of teaching. Accordingly, this present study aims to find out how the teacher's perception about the effectiveness of teaching reading strategies in improving students' reading comprehension at junior high school level. On the other hand, the study also aims to find out how is the implementation of teaching reading strategies that are believed by the English teachers in their real teaching practice. There are three research questions. According to the research question before, there are three research objectives. Significance of study. This study is expected to give contribution toward practical implication of the study to the teachers, students, and other research. Scopes of this study are the English teachers at SMP Plus Nurul Hikmah Pamekasan and teaching reading and teaching strategies for improving students' reading comprehension. The limitation of this study is the teacher's perception on the effectiveness of teaching reading strategies in terms of reading comprehension at junior high school level. Defining key terms. In this part, there are 3 points. They are teacher's perceptions, teaching reading strategies, and reading comprehension. Next is literature review. First point is review of related to literature. In this point, the researcher discussed about the definition of teacher's perception, teaching reading strategies, and reading comprehension according to the argumentation of the experts. The second point is review of previous studies. In this point, the researcher discussed about several previous studies that is found by the researcher related to the present study. The results show that most of the focus of the previous studies different with the present study. Also, the instrumentation, locus, and method of the previous studies is different with the current study. The next point is method. The first thing is research setting. This study will take place at SMP Plus Nurul Hikmah because this school is one of the favorite Islamic private school in Pamekasan City, which have a good quality in teaching and learning process. The participants of this study will be taken from the English teachers at Junior High School of Nurul Hikmah Pamekasan. The second point is research design. This research will use qualitative case study. The instruments that will be used are observation checklists and interview guideline. Next is data and source of data. The data of this study are the teacher's perception of the effectiveness teaching reading strategies that used to improve students' reading comprehension and the implementation of the strategies in the real teaching process at SMP Plus Nurul Hikmah Pamekasan. The source of data to answer the first and second research question will be obtained to the teacher at SMP Plus Nurul Hikmah Pamekasan. The source of data to answer the third research question will be gained through the observation classroom to know how is the implementation of the teaching reading strategies based on their perception in the real teaching process. Next is data analysis. To analyze the data, the researcher will use thematic analysis. According to the Creswell, there are 5 steps. There are familiarization, coding, generating, reviewing, grouping, and rewrite. That's all from me, and the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.